Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in today. If you are new, welcome to my page. Thank you for clicking on my video. And for all of my continuous watchers, thank you so much for your support. I love you guys so much. So this video is actually going to be a bit different from what I have on my channel. You know, usually I'm doing like a talk through chit chat or like a voiceover, but in this video I am not saying a word. I am just getting lost in doing my makeup and being creative and having fun with it. And I really wanted to catch that on camera for you guys and also myself, because I really wanted to like catch my creativity on camera and kind of like, you know, watch it back and like see like how I'm just flowing through it. I'm really sorry that, like, you know, it's different from the usual. Hopefully you guys like it. I think that you guys will, because I mean the look came out amazing. I actually filmed this last week and it was ready to be uploaded. I just had to save it to my external hard drive, and my external hard drive crashed and I lost all the files, so I had to sulk for a little bit. I bought a new external hard drive, and now that I am, you know, back in the groove, you know, my spirits are high again. So I really wanted to recreate this look because it was just so pretty, and it was something that I never did before. As you can see, I have a glossy eyelid. Never did that before. I think I did good for my first time, you know? So let me stop rambling and let's get into this video. But first, make sure you hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, like, comment, share, all that good stuff, and let's get right into it. final look, you guys. I really hope that you guys enjoyed it. One thing I am going to say about the glossy lid is that it definitely creases. So just keep that in mind. I don't know how to prevent it. Is there really a way? I don't know. But it definitely does crease. But I think that it's gorgeous. But yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Go ahead and subscribe and join the family. Make sure you hit that notification bell. Let me know what other looks you want me to bring to the channel, what other products you want me to try out, and I would definitely make sure to provide that for you guys. So I will see you guys in my next video, but you already know. In the meantime, go ahead and watch some previous uploads of mine. Like, you know, just pour yourself a glass of wine, kick your feet up, hit play all, and enjoy. Thank you for watching.